AI News, Japan's latest AI breakthroughs. Hello everyone, I am Anup Agrawal and you are watching today's AI News. Japan is once again proving why it is one of the world's biggest innovation hubs. The biggest headline comes from Sakana AI, a Japanese AI company that has introduced its new Fugu AI model designed for advanced cybersecurity and enterprise applications. The launch comes as Asian companies accelerate development of homegrown AI models for businesses and governments. Another exciting development is Aiko, Japan's new AI-powered virtual police assistant. Aiko is helping citizens identify online scams and cyber fraud through interactive awareness campaigns, making Japan one of the first countries to use AI in public safety at this scale. Japan is also rapidly expanding AI-powered robotics. According to recent industry reports, nearly one-third of Japanese companies are already using or actively planning to deploy AI robots to solve labor shortages and improve productivity. Quick break. Want to master AI instead of just hearing about it? Join AI Vista, where we teach practical AI tools including ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Canva AI, Notebook LM, AI agents, automation, and much more through live hands-on classes. Learn real AI skills that can improve your productivity, boost your career, and even help you build new income opportunities. Visit AI Vista and start your AI journey today. Now back to the news. Japan's AI ecosystem is growing faster than ever with massive investments in AI infrastructure, robotics, cybersecurity, and next-generation AI research. The race for AI leadership is becoming truly global, and Japan is determined to stay at the forefront. I am Anup Agrawal. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next AI update with more exciting breakthroughs from around the world.